Sunday. Nice gusting winds. Perfect day to practice. I died down. Gusting 1.8. It was gusting 2.1 when I got here. I've been here for like an hour. I see a couple of people struggling, so I want to struggle too. Hey guys, what's up? On this one, I went out to practice crosswind landings. They changed the runway on me and the winds died down a little bit, but I still made a fun flight out of it. So let's go.
Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport is formation Tango 1553 Zulu, wind 17012, gust 1.8, visibility 10, 2,500 scattered, 3,400 scattered, temperature 30, 2.22, altimeter 29er, 9er 8. RNAV GPS runway 9er approach in use, landing and departing runway 9er and 13. Notice to airmen, use caution, drone activities authorized within class Delta or below 400 feet. Last contact you base formation Tango.
Executive clearance November 119 Juliet Delta, ASAP PA28. Would like to stay on the pattern for touch and go with Tango.
November 119 Juliet Delta, executive clearance, contact ground point self-contact.
2 ground, 119 Juliet Delta. Let's go. Light is on, nobody's around, brakes are off, let's move. So hot.
Clear 313, proceed via Foxtrot.
Executive ground November 119 Juliet Delta is at hotel, ready to taxi to runway 9.
Runway 119 Juliet Delta, exit ground, runway 9 or taxi via Echo.
9 via Echo for 119 Juliet Delta. Taxiing over to runway 9. Right now winds are gusting 18 out of 170. So the winds are coming out of almost directly south, and the runway is directly east. So we're getting almost
Executive
a
clearance,
direct crosswind. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. Oh, look at that. Somebody had an oil spill over here. All right. Let's do the run up.
Runway 13, what's your number?
Full ridge, primer's in and locked, carpet is off. Well, let's check the controls. Five and a half on the vacuum, good oil temperature, good fuel pressure, good oil pressure on the full tank. Executive Tower, November 119 Juliet Delta, holding short of 9.
November 119 Juliet Delta, Executive Tower, landing traffic. November 119 Juliet Delta Tower, traffic short final, runway 13, turn left and enter the left downwind for runway 13, runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 9, left turn for 119 Juliet Delta. Okay. After a day and a half holding short, all systems look good. Carpet is off, pump is on, full ridge. I have that traffic. Traffic is past the runway. Let's go. All systems look green. There goes the wind. Man. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's why I like to fly.
Executive Tower, Skyhawk 922.
Oh yeah.
Short of runway 13 at Alpha, ready for takeoff.
This is it. Oh my God, I love
Bravo
this.
Delta, contact Fort Lauderdale Tower 120.2.
Oh yes.
Fort Lauderdale Tower 20.2 for a Bravo Delta.
Skyhawk 92266, holding short of 13 at Alpha, ready for takeoff.
Skyhawk 266.
Positive rate. BY. Left turn. All systems green. Wow.
250 Tower, November 663 for Bravo, establish an airnav runway 9er for the stop.
November 9 Juliet Delta, extend downwind, tower, I'll call base.
Tower, call base, 9 Juliet Delta. Oh man, what an awesome takeoff. That was so much fun. All right.
November 9er Juliet Delta, turn base.
base, 9 Juliet Delta, and that's negative on that side. Okay, I got the traffic on side, 119 Juliet Delta, and I'm turning base.
Wind 15018, gust 22.
I wanted 9 to get a really good challenge, but I think this is going to be a good enough challenge. Executive Tower, November 119 Juliet Delta, holding short of 13 at Alpha.
November 119 Juliet Delta, Executive Tower, landing traffic.
Oh, nice. Man, beautiful job. November 92266, ATP.
November 9er Juliet Delta, make left traffic, runway 13 at intersection Alpha, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 13 at Alpha, left traffic, 119 Juliet Delta. All systems look green. Let's go full power. On left Crosswind Tower, go base, 119 Juliet Delta.
November 3 Sierra Kilo, he's actually past your position now. Extend the upwind. November 9er Juliet Delta, caravan departure roll, runway 9er, correction 13, cleared touch and go.
Clear touch and go, I have the caravan on site, 119 Juliet Delta, runway 13. Tower, 9 Juliet Delta is going to make it a full stop.
9 Juliet Delta, roger, runway 13, cleared to land.
Clear to land 13, 119 Juliet Delta. Okay, so that was today's flight. That was fun. It wasn't as much fun as I wanted it to be because I wanted a more of a challenge. I wanted to land on runway 9, but too many people doing pattern work, so it was not possible. But it was still fun because we still flew. So, all right, guys, see you on the next flight.